how is unified data platforms and kind of what data bricks like, Lakehouse and, integrated machine learning and easy deployment and monitoring and Unity catalog with governance, how has that whole ecosystem come together to actually be, 1+1 = 3?
It's a great question. So the use cases around KYC and AML are kind of like really benefited by having a centralized data platform where you can have kind of like a centralized place where you define, identity. You have like identity is really a new currency these days, and being able to kind of get aggressive in terms of like how you are authenticating customers and understanding who they are in real time is really kind of something you can only do in a centralized data platform where you have both kind of real time and batch data. You have the ability to kind of generate workflows to respond to, customers coming onto your platform, so you can, have the KYC checks in real time when you're bringing on new people and not have that friction. And kind of like bringing in a lot of outside data sources and real time data sources into that solution is something that you can do within Databricks because it supports all those different types of workloads really seamlessly. So it's really a critical piece to kind of the puzzle, being able to have all that data in one place and have it be able to be governed and managed and really have a high quality, which is where kind of stuff like Unity Catalog really shines.
Yeah, just knowing we've been working in this space for a couple of decades now. It's been a lot of our career focus, and it's really, I think, notably interesting to see the advent of a leaner and lighter data catalogs helping kind of these more robust solutions. Like data management has been there's many facets to it, but has been a relatively bloated additional layer on top for many years, just because it's trying to tackle so many different things. And one of the things that we've seen with modern data tooling and Unity Catalog really, and a couple other tools that we've worked with a number of clients, is seeing a much leaner approach. It's still as capable, but it's just because there's two factors, I think, like kind of a transition of how the industry is designing data architecture and the rise of, the things like even just like the features of, data lakes or like Lakehouse evolution in general, when you're seeing like a lot more metadata management. You get a lot more features that come, and then you can take those features and kind of choose to integrate them as you go. I think like Unity Catalog is on by default when you spin up a new Databricks instance. This isn't something that's an afterthought. It's just baked right in, and I think that's a major shift of what we're seeing.
Getting lineage and auditability for free is huge. It's something that used to take hundreds of hours of engineering to get set up if you have a lot of legacy systems. So being able to just plug that in, have Unity Catalog take over and provide lineage and provide the auditability that the compliance requirements to satisfy your KYC and AML initiatives require, like just right off the bat, is really critical. And it also, I agree, the kind of like approach that Unity Catalog has taken. It's like it's not an overbearing kind of user interface or process to get it set up. It's kind of like your engineering team can plug into it and it gets started. Your data analysts and business analysts can start using it and understand the data that's in your system. And it's not, it's not something that is kind of bloated from the start. It's just you get going, you start can take advantage of the features right away.